Are you drowning in data, but still not converting? You're not alone. Most brands collect endless customer info, but fail to act on it. The future of marketing isn't just data. It's turning data into action, with AI. Step 1. Focus on the right KPIs, not vanity metrics. Step 2. Use descriptive and predictive analytics to see patterns and predict outcomes. Step 3. Let AI guide your marketing decisions. Then, automate everything. From real-time ads to hyper-personalized email flows. At NextGen AI Marketing, we doubled conversion rates using just that: customer journey insights, action, results. Want to know how we did it? Download our AI marketing checklist or book a free call today for smarter campaigns. Less guesswork, more results. From data to action, that's the NextGen way. Visit nextgenimarketing.de.